Hello, people, and so I'm back in Hyderabad, and it's like I just might be going for another job interview soon, but somewhere my heart lies in I used to do tarot card readings earlier, and generally I've been writing these ebooks, so I feel like I've been sent on this planet to do these, to do this, like write these books, ebooks, and tarot, intuition, develop your intuition, and also, I don't know, but it's like when I take up a full time job, I don't have time to give to all of this, so it's um, it's something that's very hard to make this decision. So, but I think I should. Yeah, following your heart is good, but it's important to be practical, right? So yeah, I'm all dressed and ready. I need to step out right now. It's about to be 9. So I'll step out, and there are few errands that I need to run. And then once if I take up a full-time job, then again YouTubing is like, but it's okay. It's a phase, and it'll all pass. It's just as this Angol phase that I was there for 45 days. Angol, Tirupati and all. So it's all past. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.